In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate products in Shopify. If you're managing an online store on Shopify and find yourself needing to create similar products without starting from scratch, duplicating an existing product can be a real time saver. Let's walk through this simple process together, making sure you understand each step thoroughly so you can efficiently manage your product listings. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the central hub for managing everything related to your store. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen, and you should see a panel with various options. One of these options is Products. Click on that. This will take you to the section where all your store's products are listed. After you're in the Products section, browse through your list of products to find the one you want to duplicate. Maybe it's a seasonal item that sold well last year, or perhaps it's a product with similar variants to a new item you're introducing. Whatever the reason, once you've located the product you want to replicate, click on the product name. This will open up the details page for that particular item, where you can view and edit all its specifics. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Duplicate. When you click on this, Shopify will start the process of creating a copy of this product. The great thing about this feature is that it not only copies the product information, but also the images, pricing, and any variations the original product may have had. However, it's important to make any necessary adjustments to ensure the new product fits seamlessly into your store's catalog. For example, after duplicating a product, consider reviewing the copy to update any unique identifiers or descriptions that need changing. This will help avoid any confusion with your customers and ensure your listings remain relevant and accurate. You might also want to adjust inventory numbers or adjust pricing if this new product version has different costs involved. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully duplicated a product in Shopify, helping streamline your workflow and allowing you to focus on other aspects of running your business. Remember, as you become more comfortable with your Shopify store, these tasks will become second nature, making your e-commerce management more efficient. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe to the channel for more practical tips like this to enhance your e-commerce strategy. See you in the next video.